Commercial line pump service in Danbury, Connecticut needs fast response, accurate pump diagnostics, and dependable pump system service to keep operations moving. A commercial line pump Danbury, Connecticut setup often supports wastewater pump service Danbury, sewage line pump service Danbury, Connecticut, and wet well line pump Danbury applications where downtime can quickly become expensive. Licensed pump contractor Danbury, Connecticut teams handle pump inspection, pump troubleshooting, and pump motor repair for offices, retail properties, restaurants, and industrial sites across Danbury, Connecticut. From pressure line pump issues to submersible line pump problems, a qualified pump service technician can deliver same-day pump repair Danbury, Connecticut when equipment fails. Businesses searching for affordable line pump service Danbury, Connecticut or line pump specialists near Danbury need solutions built for reliability, safety, and long-term performance. Residential line pump. Danbury, Connecticut service is essential for homes that rely on sump pump line repair Danbury, septic line pump Danbury, Connecticut, and drainage line pump systems to manage water and wastewater safely. A residential line pump or flood prevention pump helps protect basements, crawl spaces, and foundations during heavy rain, snowmelt, and storms common in Danbury, Connecticut. Homeowners looking for Danbury, Connecticut line pump service benefit from thorough pump system inspection Danbury, line pump maintenance in Danbury, Connecticut, and prompt line pump repair when warning signs appear. Whether the issue involves a sump pump line, sewage pump line, or wastewater line pump, a skilled pump contractor can restore function quickly and reduce the risk of flooding, backups, and costly property damage. Line pump installation in Danbury, Connecticut should be handled by trained professionals who understand flow capacity, site conditions, and system compatibility. Danbury line pump installation often includes submersible line pump placement, wet well pump setup, pressure line pump routing, and connection to a reliable drainage pump service near Danbury, Connecticut configuration. A strong installation plan supports both residential line pump and commercial line pump performance while reducing future line pump replacement needs. For new construction, remodels, or system upgrades, a pump contractor can recommend the right pump service technician, ensure proper pump line cleaning, and build a system designed for local demands in Danbury, Connecticut and surrounding Fairfield County areas. Emergency line pump Danbury situations demand 24-hour line pump service Danbury when sewage, drainage, or flood control systems stop working without warning. Same-day pump repair Danbury, Connecticut is often critical for broken sump pump line systems, failed septic line pump equipment, and urgent wastewater line pump breakdowns. A fast response pump service technician can perform pump diagnostics in Danbury, Connecticut, identify electrical or mechanical failures, and complete pump motor repair or line pump replacement as needed. When water is rising or wastewater is backing up, emergency line pump service can protect floors, landscaping, utilities, and health. Danbury, Connecticut property owners need quick access to trusted line pump repair and pump system service when time matters most. Line pump maintenance is one of the best ways to extend the life of a sewage pump line, sump pump line, or submersible line pump in Danbury, Connecticut. Routine pump inspection, pump line cleaning, and pump diagnostics help catch wear before it turns into a major repair. Line pump maintenance in Danbury, Connecticut may include checking valves, clearing clogs, testing the pressure line pump, and verifying the performance of the flood prevention pump under real operating conditions. For both residential and commercial properties, regular pump system inspection Danbury helps avoid emergency shutdowns, reduces service costs, and supports consistent wastewater pump service Danbury. Preventive care from a qualified pump service technician keeps systems dependable through every season. Line pump Danbury, Connecticut often involves more than replacing a part. It requires careful pump troubleshooting, inspection, and testing to find the true cause of the failure. A clogged drainage line pump, damaged sewage line pump, worn submersible pump contractor Danbury, Connecticut component, or failing pump motor repair issue can create symptoms that look similar from the outside. Experienced line pump specialists near Danbury use pump diagnostics, electrical checks, and flow testing to restore performance efficiently. Whether the system is a septic line pump, wet well pump, or commercial line pump Danbury, Connecticut installation. Proper line pump repair helps prevent repeat breakdowns and protects property from flooding, backups, and operational interruptions. Pump replacement in the Danbury area becomes necessary when older systems can no longer handle demand or repeated repairs are no longer cost-effective. Line pump replacement may be the best option for a failing residential line pump, overloaded commercial line pump, or outdated wastewater line pump that no longer meets local needs. A licensed pump contractor Danbury, Connecticut can evaluate whether repair or replacement offers the better long-term value and can recommend the right pressure line pump, submersible line pump, or flood control pump Danbury, Connecticut solution. Property owners seeking pump replacement Danbury area service benefit from professional sizing, safe installation, and thorough testing to ensure reliable operation in Danbury, Connecticut. Septic line pump service in Danbury, Connecticut is especially important for properties that depend on moving wastewater efficiently from the tank to the disposal area. A septic line pump Danbury, Connecticut setup must be inspected regularly to prevent backups, odors, and system overload. Pump system service for septic and wastewater applications often includes pump line cleaning, pump inspection, and line pump maintenance in Danbury, Connecticut to maintain proper flow. If the septic pump line fails, emergency line pump Danbury support can restore service quickly. For homes and businesses across Danbury, Connecticut, working with a pump service technician who understands septic line pump systems helps protect sanitation, comfort, and compliance. Drainage pump service near Danbury, Connecticut supports properties that need dependable water removal from basements, yards, commercial facilities, and wet areas prone to flooding. A drainage line pump, flood prevention pump, or sump pump line repair Danbury service can make a major difference during storms and seasonal runoff in Danbury, Connecticut. Pump diagnostics in Danbury, Connecticut help identify flow restrictions, pump wear, and control failures before the situation becomes urgent. Whether the job requires a pump system inspection Danbury, pump motor repair, or line pump installation, local experts can provide affordable line pump service Danbury, Connecticut with the right equipment and experience. Reliable drainage and wastewater protection starts with the right pump contractor and consistent maintenance.